So guys, I'm just here viewing the beauty of nature. Look at nature. Look at the beauty of nature, guys. This is so amazing. Look at the sky, look at the trees. That guys, junk are flying at the ear. Yeah, just sit and just look at that view here. Guys, we sit down right at a coal scale. This coal scale, most of the material, most of the wood them, the tree them we cut down here. Yeah man, one skill actually burn and pick up already, guys, and see. Another one is here. See some more material here, as you can see. Some more wood here and something for pack on another skill, guys. Yes man, I'm gonna tell you. But just like you just sit down and just watch the beauty of nature, you know? Yeah. So guys, we're going on a street, you know. This is in the whole skill. We're going on a tree adventure, guys, with a Kevin and Orentha lead the road car. Never come down this section here, but I don't know, for some reason I just want to view the nature side, view the nature, the side of nature, guys, if you know what I mean. Yup. So all our hands. Oh, yeah, run leave her and I hear the man. Whatever this, I hear the man and I hungry, the two of us. No more the lady. You can't walk there. No other road not there. So why you walk there? This guy is sick. Come down, you can't follow Nerissa, Kevin. Nerissa can't follow Kevin. Kevin will carry you going to lead you in a destruction, Bradley. Alright there, alright. Just make we try find a direction, please. So look here, where you are go and you run Ghana lead direction. That no, that is not a way to lead people, brother. We never understand what this little boy is doing. If we didn't want somebody to carry on a wild goose chase, we now wouldn't do that ourselves. So suppose me never stop her, so you don't have her run behind you and you run down like you run down mongoose. You never understand what he's doing. Walk here, sir. You can't follow Kevin, yeah? You will hurt yourself. You Kevin a boy child and a girl child. Wait right there. You see this, guys? Wait right there, wait right there. So guys, I'm actually in the bush and it looks like there's a whole lot of maca tree down here. And the slippers that are worn is plastic, guys. If you don't know what you do, when you check a stock stick, break up all the way. That's where we're coming from there. Yeah. But remember me have Nerissa. Yeah. Guys, this little boy don't have nothing name instruction. He don't know if he direct a blind man. You couldn't let him for direct a blind man, you know, guys. So this is a direction where I give the man that drop in a hole. Huh? So how far are we going from there? Lord Jesus. Give me a Nerissa.
This is the right photo. But the one camera
So guys, push it there, guys. Go that way there. Go that way there. Go that way there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. So as you can see, this here is a riverbed. Yeah. As you can see. Ow. Wait there.
Yeah.
Kevin, what are you doing there? You see that, guys? It's a riverbed this year. No, don't follow him. Do not follow him. Stay right there. Stay right there. Do not move. Stay right there. Stay right there. Alright, guys. So we're down in the valley. Yes, guys. As you can see, Kevin down here. I try to find a way to walk, you know, guys. But to tell you the truth, I don't even know where to walk. This is a riverbed, guys. So guys, basically we found a sea ball hole down there. Yeah guys, so those you can stay, watch what go on.